Hello, my people, fellow Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Yes, I'm so happy as you can see from my countenance. Because of Anambra election, I'm not happy because Abga won. Even though the supplementary election is currently going on in Ihiala today, being Tuesday, but I'm happy because of the maturity and wisdom of DOS. Directorate of State of the Indigenous People of Biafra. What they did was a masterclass. This cancellation of the sit at home saves a lot of lives. If IPOB did not cancel that sit at home, the zoo would have used that opportunity to kill a lot of innocent Biafrans. If that sit at home was not cancelled or suspended, the zoo would have used that opportunity to rig election and hand it over to APC. If that sit at home was not cancelled, the zoo police, zoo military, as usual, they would have burned innocent Biafrans, businesses, and houses. So I want to say a very big thank you to DOS for the prompt cancellation of the sit at home. This is what enabled the people of Anambra State to come out in mass and vote for APGA. Of course, Anambra people know, the whole Biafra know that APC is a disease in our land. APC is our enemy. APC is our killer. That is why I begin to wonder how this man, the deputy governor of Anambra State, Nkemo Okeke, decamped to ABC because of monetary benefits. He decamped to APC. I know what happened. His people rejected him and abandoned him. His family rejected him. His community disgraced him. He could not even deliver his own polling station. He could not. He could not deliver any vote. It was a total disgrace. And this sounds a warning to all the saboteurs and traitors in our land. What Nkemo Okeke did was pure sabotage. And he was disgraced by his people, his community, and the people of Anambra State. So now we have Anambra State in the hands of APGA. We know that APGA will not give us Biafra, but APGA will not kill our people. APGA will not kill Igbo people. APGA government will not kill the people of Biafra. APC government would have done that with much hatred. They would have killed us, take over our land, and commit atrocities in our land. But thank God that the land of Anambra State is in the hands of APGA. Yes, what DOS did was to tell the world that they are not against democratic principles by allowing the people to vote. After all, it is their inalienable right to vote, and they voted for a candidate of their choice. Their voting does not mean that they want to be in Nigeria, but their voting simply means that they don't want APC government to take over Anambra State by force. And this is what the people have demonstrated. I want to say a very big thank you to the US for their maturity and for their wisdom. In going forward, our leader will be appearing to court on the 10th of November. That should be in 2 days' time. And we expect his unconditional release from incarceration because he committed no crime known to law. So, it is a painful thing to see somebody, a man from Aguata, Anambra State, joining the APC to contest for governorship position in Anambra State. And you bar of a person, we know his antecedents, we know what he's capable of doing, we know what he had done before, and none of the people have rejected him because giving this man governorship of Anambra State simply means that we are giving the Fulani the land of Anambra State for them to build their roga, take over our land, continue raping our women and children, and continue killing our men and young men. So that is somehow also banner. It's still moving on. So I want to thank the people of Anambra State for coming out to vote for a candidate of their choice. By this, we now wait on the United Nations to give us a date for referendum, because waiting on the Zoo government, they may not give us a date for referendum, but I think UN has the right to give us a date for referendum for Biafrans to decide their fate. If they want to continue living in Nigeria, or if they want their own sovereign nation, Biafra land, which I know 99% of Biafrans want to leave the zoo and form a new country called Biafra. Sorry for that. Biafra is not a new country. Biafra has been existing even before Nigeria. Biafra was being forced to be in Nigeria by the British. Not be that regretting what they did, because we are the children of God. Yes, that's who we are. So, my people, I want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you. Let us continue to pray that the supplementary election currently going on in Ihiala will still go in favor of ABGA. That ABGA, we know the founder of ABGA is Ojukwu, the father of Biafra. So we know, even if we are clamoring for Biafra, let us allow ABGA for the time being to be in control of Anambra State. This is my take. So follow Biafrans, lovers of freedom. I want to say a very big thank you. And the people of Anambra State who have come out en masse to vote, thank you also. Continue living in peace and harmony. God bless you all. Bye-bye.